It is time for you guys to stop playing video games and get rich making Fortnite maps instead. I'm not kidding. You see all these video games on screen? Cut them out. Instead, get rich making Fortnite maps. If you guys are looking at my screen, this game by Farron's called Steal the Brainrot has made a grand total of $27 million in just a span of 7 to 8 months. Look, if you look here, it says 18 million. But with the new addition to in-island transactions, you get 100% of the revenue, and this game is making $1.25 million a day. And that can be you as well, which is what I'm going to walk you guys down right now. This video will be completely raw and unedited. Of course, join the Discord to get your first very own Fortnite map that you can post and customize and make thousands of dollars a month if you are skilled enough. Let's get started. All of you guys, ask me questions every day. What is a Fortnite map? How do I get started? And let me show you, okay? So if we go back to Fortnite GG here, and we look at all of these games here, these are islands that people are creating in Fortnite, and they're monetizing these games. Fortnite is giving us money because we are averaging players. If we look at this one here, by the boy Davhy, we've all played this game. It's called Go Goated, right? It averages 20,000 players a day, yet it makes $20,000 a day, right? Which is around $6 million a year. And if you look here, $6.767 million a year, these types of maps are making. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this yourself, okay? There's not going to be any cuts or editing or any of that fugazi on this video. I'm going to keep it straight and simple. How can you guys actually get started and make your very first Fortnite map? Let me show you. So the first thing, I say this in every video, you do have to be 18 years old, but you can obviously bypass that by, of course, using your parental information. All you have to do to get started is search this up. You have to download the Epic Games launcher. It is a little slow when you're loading UEFN, but promise you guys, it's pretty basic, it's pretty easy to understand, it's very easy to get familiar with. Of course, you can just click this link here and download the Epic Games launcher, and as you can see, Fortnite is literally already there. It's on the first, obviously, head page because, you know, Fortnite's number one. Just like I am, I'm the only one in the whole world making everyone millions of dollars making maps. I'm the only one on the planet, guys, making content, teaching you guys how to monetize your Fortnite maps and actually make money. Honestly, escape the Matrix. I'm not even kidding. As retarded as that sounds, it's true, you know? We're all trying to retire our parents. We all want financial freedom, and this is the best way for you guys to get off your ass. And instead of playing video games, make Fortnite maps instead and get wealthy. This is the only way that you guys are going to make money. Seriously, if you're still playing video games, which I used to when I was younger, right? And we all spent hundreds of hours playing Fortnite, so why not give the time back that you wasted playing Fortnite and give it back into the ecosystem and make games for the kids to waste time on, which is why Fortnite's paying us. It's as simple as that, you know? And it collectively, I've made $3 to $7 million collectively in global influence by my content, inspiring people to make maps. I've made millions and millions of dollars for you guys collectively by bringing you guys into this space, and you guys go ahead and make games on your own. Obviously, I'm going to take some credit for that, and that's why I built games for the biggest people and celebrities and worldwide actors in the world. Like Jinxie, Floyd Mayweather, Ski Master Slump God, Soulja Boy. List goes on, seriously. You guys can go to the Instagram and check that out, of course, as well. But anyways, let me show you guys exactly how to build your very first Fortnite map. And I love you guys. Make sure to join the Discord, all right? Let me show you guys exactly how to build your very first Fortnite map. Join the Discord in the link in the description. Obviously, you can get one-on-one mentored. There's only a select few spots, which is why it's $1,000. Only pay for this if you can afford it, okay? Obviously, there's a refund if you don't achieve the results that you want, right? You create the results. If you don't achieve it, you just get your money back. I've had to give one refund out of the 376 people that are inside. It's a one-time payment, guys, anyways, right? But yeah, I've had to refund one person because he just didn't, he didn't care. He didn't want to do it. So I gave him the money back, and that was that. Like, it's plain and simple. I mean, this isn't really for everyone. This is like for people that are inspired and want to take action with their own life. And that's why I'm blessed to be in a position where people message me every day saying that I'm an idol and I'm inspiring them, you know, to get started building games. And I take huge credit for that, because although I'm not making $18 million every 6 months building my own games, I'm making lots of money helping you guys build games, and that is where most of the money will be made. And there's nothing wrong with that. Building games with the biggest artists, biggest rappers, that's fun. And you guys are all going to see the documentation of me doing that, meeting these artists, meeting these rappers, meeting these people in front of you, building their own games and making millions of dollars, which obviously makes me millions of dollars, right? And I'm glad to have you guys here, seriously. Fuck video games, get started making Fortnite maps. Seriously. Okay, so we are inside of UEFN. I would want to go into a longer, in-depth practical tutorial to help you guys, but realistically, information isn't really free, which is obviously why I sell it, and you guys learn from me, and you guys go make money. Because if I gave you every single step right now, you would do nothing with it. Because it's too much dopamine at once. Which is why videos aren't like 30 minutes when you're scrolling on your phone. They're short and easy to quick. They're quick to grasp, you know? So all I need to do is motivate you to get started to build games, and then you pay for a course to learn how to do it. Because if the information was free, you wouldn't even achieve success. Like, you actually wouldn't. I didn't. Like, it took me 3 years to learn how to do all of this stuff, right? Which is why I can confidently talk to you and help you and motivate you to do it. Just like what I'm doing, of course, right? But anyways, this is how you get started building your very first Fortnite game. Like I said, guys, there are pre-made free games that you can pick from, and join the description and post and make lots of money. Okay? All of you guys won't make money, but there will be a select few of you who actually put in the effort and achieve success for yourselves, and I do believe in you. Anyways, when you guys go into UEFN, you're going to see this on your interface, and all you have to do is go to Island Templates and create a brand new Excel grid island. You guys can obviously create a team, do whatever you got to do to get started, of course, right? I hope everyone's having an amazing, blessed day. I'm going to keep these videos raw, authentic, pure. Like I said, guys, if you do post these games, most of you aren't going to achieve success because Fortnite does scan and track. Hey, has this game been posted millions of times? You know, why should we favor yours over the thousands of others, right? But if you migrate the assets specifically, right, in-depthly, right, you can actually achieve success. Because if you have custom versions of the games that are already popular, right, for example, let's say a red versus blue. Let's say I give you guys a red versus blue game, right? And essentially, you just post it. It's not going to do anything, right? But if you add like a brain rot feature, or all of the trending topics around the world in gaming, right? Steal the brain rot, red versus blue, go goated, horror, tongue, sahur. If you add those elements into the game, they will do well, right? You can add an XP ramp, coins. There's so many systems and things that you guys can implement inside of your games. But anyways, this is UEFN. Right here on the top right is the outliner. So let's say I go to the content drawer, which is on the bottom left, and I grab, let's say, what do I want? Let's see. Let's grab some galleries, okay? Let's go to buildings. Let's grab art demo gallery block. All right, let's grab this thing here. So you see, as soon as I dragged it out, there's this tilation on it. Pretty much these things down here, you can rotate it and move it around. Obviously, if you're unfamiliar with this, it's going to be a tricky concept. But essentially, right here is the outliner. You guys can actually search up the assets that are inside of your project. So I can actually click on them and go to them, and I can also double click. It will teleport me to the specific area to see the overall view. You know, like a bomb, a nuke, if you will. But anyways, that's that. And I'm happy to have you guys inside of this space. I'm happy to motivate you guys, to inspire you to get started building games. And I'm seriously blessed. Data Skill 2026 takeover. I'm changing the world. I'm about to be a billionaire with what I'm doing. I'm seriously blessed. And I'm blessed to have you guys in my life. I know I'm already set for life with what I'm doing, which is why I believe you guys can be as well. If you actually listen to this and you take action and you learn how to build games, which of course I will show you how, you will achieve success. Don't force yourself. If this isn't for you, it's not for you. But I do know a lot of you guys will get started doing this. Because I'm the only one doing it. And I'm blessed to have you guys here. Of course, guys, businesses and sponsorships, you can reach out down below. Join the Fort Mafia Inner Circle. Limited spots. Join the Discord in the link in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Love you guys. Peace out. If you believe, you can achieve. And I promise you that. Manifestation is real. The vision is too powerful, baby. Let's go.